Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, this is going to be super basic. Listen, there isn't going to be any transitions. I haven't got this figured out yet. So of course, I'm hoping you're going to work with me. Cool? All right. So the name of this watch face is called DigitAll Free. Very nice looking watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a traditional watch face look. And when the watch face is on, I like this look. This isn't a bad look at all. For the digital lover, listen, this one's for you. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your seconds, and it's got like an animation going on at the top. Over here, you're going to get Monday. You're going to get your date as well. You're going to get all your step info that you can ever need, and you get your battery info meter here. You also get your miles walked around meter there. This is a good look, and it is interactive. So if you tap there, you can go in and get info on your steps as well. You tap up here, you can get your schedule, calendar. This is not a bad look. Now, the thing is about this one is they got a pro version. Now with the pro version, you're going to be able to customize the color a little bit more than you can with this one. What you see is pretty much what you get. All right, you all, let's ride out and check out number 2. Watch face number 2. It's called RB003. I'll give you the rest of the info in the description box. Now, I kind of like this one, right? Not a bad look. I like the Monday. I like the 12th. I like the shade up at the top. And you get big digital time. You get step info. You also get your distance, battery info, heart rate, and you get this... if you're going to use it as voice right there sitting in the middle. I thought, why not a basic fun watch face to carry you through the week? I thought you guys just might like this one. What do you think? I mean, the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch isn't bad at all either. I'm liking it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if it's a download or not. Now remember, this is Free Watch Face Tuesday. Number 3, this one is called Modern O'Clock version 4. Now I chose this one because we don't get many analog watch faces that are dressy without all the clutter of your steps and battery info. This one here is nice, right? Now you get your date here. Down here you get your animated seconds, which I thought was cool. And if you double tap, you can customize the color to go with whatever outfit that you may want to put this with. Just continue to tap. This is nice. There's a few in all. It's not bad. A few colors. What do you think? Listen, I know this was a basic, triple basic watch face review, but it's what I got just for today. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.